Today on Charlitos Way, we change the motor oil on a smart car. You know, it's the car is from 2008, but it's super relevant, right? Anyways, we gotta keep this bad boy rolling. The motor's back here, and let's get to it. This is what you're gonna need: 3.5 quarts of Mobil 1. I picked up some of this high mileage, even though it doesn't have that much high mileage. It only has 140,000. You'll need a oil filter, some towels, an oil pan, this thing, and a wrench to get the plug off. Fram extra guard with this top. That's how it's done. Easy as that. That oil change took no time. Super simple. One slight mistake is when we were draining the oil pan. I did hear a plop. I should have really investigated it. Because it ended up being the washer for the plug. So I don't know how that's gonna go. I'm not gonna. That's a 40 bucks in oil if I decide to swap it out. So I'll just keep an eye on it, see if it's leaking. Just keep it tight. 10,000 miles. I'll be putting this bad boy back on. So thank you very much for watching this episode of Charlitos Way, where it's not the right way, it's not the wrong way. It's kind of the wrong way. It's Charlitos Way. Toodles. Thanks for watching this episode of Charlitos Way. Please hit that like button and subscribe and leave comments for me. Thank yous. Bye.